Hello everyone, welcome to Kitchen Episodes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the notifications. Today we are going to see the recipe of eggless chocolate cake, and that too without oven. So let's have a look at the recipe. Firstly, take a deep pan and add a layer of salt to it and keep it for heating. Take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Then add 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder to it. This is unsweetened cocoa powder. Then add salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and sift all the ingredients in a mixing bowl. Now using a whisk, mix all the dry ingredients well. Then goes in half a cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 2 tablespoons of curd, and mix well. Then to the hot water, add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder and mix it. Add this mixture little at a time and mix all the ingredients until well combined. All the ingredients are nicely mixed, and this is the consistency we need for the chocolate cake. Here I have a 6-inch cake tin, greased with some oil and dusted with some cocoa powder. Also lined with butter paper at the bottom, then add the cake mixture to the tin. Tap the tin gently to get rid of the air bubbles. Now place the cake tin in the vessel which we have kept for heating earlier. Cover it with a lid and let this cook for about 50 to 55 minutes on low heat. After about 50 minutes, insert a needle or toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, then the cake is ready. Here the cake is ready. Now take out the cake tin and let this cool for 15 to 20 minutes. The cake has cooled down completely. Let's unmold it. You can see the cake has come out very soft and spongy. Now run a knife through the center of the cake and divide it into 2 parts. Now let's prepare the sugar syrup. To the sugar, add hot water and some vanilla essence and mix well. The sugar syrup is ready. Now we will prepare the chocolate ganache. For the chocolate ganache, heat around 1 cup of cream and add it to 2 cups of dark chocolate. Give this a nice mix. Note that we have to heat the cream before it comes to boil. Now add some butter to the ganache and mix well. This will improve the texture of the ganache. The chocolate ganache is ready. Keep it aside for some time. Now it's time to assemble the cake. To the surface, apply some ganache and place a layer of cake over it so that it will stick to the surface. Then apply sugar syrup to the cake. The cake will absorb the sugar syrup, and this will help to keep it moist. Now apply some ganache and spread it evenly on the cake. Now place another layer of cake. Repeat the same process. Apply the sugar syrup and spread even layer of ganache over the cake. Now cover the entire cake with the ganache. Refrigerate this cake for about 15 minutes. Now give a nice finishing to the cake. Use the same chocolate ganache as a frosting for decorating this cake. Decorate the cake as per your like. The eggless chocolate cake, and that too without oven, is ready. You can make this delicious chocolate cake for your loved ones on the occasion of Christmas. Merry Christmas to all the lovely viewers of Kitchen Episodes. This chocolate cake has turned out amazing. Do try this recipe in your kitchen and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification each time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.